Okay, so we go on class prerequisites. So basically you need to go to learn and attempt lesson 26, right? Today we are going to cover composition, but the composition will be more on writing conclusion. All right, because we did introduction, body, and then now is conclusion. All right, wait, let me just wait for me, okay, guys. Just see if anybody is coming in. If somebody is coming in, I can see. Okay, then we are doing number 1 to number 5, grammar, MCQs. Then 6 to 10, vocabulary. And then question 11 will be composition. All right. So if you have done your if you do your composition, you can submit to me. I already told you how to submit to me, right? I wrote down the number, okay? The WhatsApp number that you can WhatsApp to me. It's not my WhatsApp number. It's actually 88 Tuition WhatsApp number. Okay, Ken, let's move. Okay, everybody must follow the 88 house rules, okay? So the 88 house rules is it is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. Now, if you don't switch on your video, you have to tell me some reasons. Some people say the camera is broken. So they told the admin to tell me, okay, because sometimes parents ask the admin, to the admin, camera broken, so that's why I cannot switch on the video. Okay, fine. I mean, that's a valid reason, right? Okay, can so mute microphone. Now, if let's say, right, you want to whatever it is, as long as you show yourself is fine. Some people, right, maybe they want to focus on their work, meaning that they want to focus. So what they do is they just put it high like this. Then I can still see their eyes. Okay, fine. I can see their eyes. At least I can see some part of their face. Okay, Ken? So basically like that. Okay, please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. Then you can, because you know why we see each other's face, because like a classroom, right? Classroom is the same. Okay, ask a question, answer question, share feedback. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, toilet break, please inform me and return ASAP. And please be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. All right. So if you've done your homework, then we shall go through now. All right. So later for your composition, we can try something together. Is it okay? We can try something together. And then later you can chat also. You can write in the chat. Whatever that you type in your conclusion. All right. An introduction. Okay, we start now, everybody. So grammar MCQs now. I put you in this corner because you know why? There's quite a lot of there's some things I need to go through with you. All right, and then it will cover up this space here. All right, I go now. Grammar MCQ. So let's go through together. Michael, yes. Chat, yes. Hello. 1 and B. Oh, wait. Relax one by one. I know you know your answer already. I go through first, okay? Because some friends may not have done it. Thank you for your answer. Michael was very tired. Did not go to play after school. So what do you think? Michael was very tired. Okay, somebody said B. The rest of you, can you type in your answer? Let me see. We discussed this. Michael was very tired. What did not go to play after school? Somebody chat with me just now. Who is that guy? Okay, Shiloh chat already. Shiloh against, okay, question 1. Just write down question 1. Anybody? Shiloh give an answer already. The rest of you? Oh, B. Oh, okay, Ken Rudra. Rudran, right? Rudran, right? Or yes, okay, Ken Rudran. Because your name. Yeah, okay, Ken. So you think it's B. Why you think it's B? It's because yes, okay, Ken. So you should also say B. Okay, Vera, I minus first. All right, because it's continue. I mean, you are tired, right? But Michael was very tired and did not go to play after school. Why cannot go down? Yeah. Wait, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yes, your answer is correct. B, correct. And did not go up after school. So yeah, somebody chatting with me. Yeah. Answer for the next one. Jennifer wants a night light. What's a night? This is a night light. Do you sleep with night lights? All of you? Say yes. Oh, you do, Shiloh. Okay. Does it help in your sleep? I mean, does it like make it does, it does help. Okay, some people don't like, some people don't like to sleep with night light. But some people like to sleep with night light because afraid of the dark, right? Wait, I get out first, okay? Hello, Devish. I'm going to mark your attendance. I need to go out first, okay? Can wait for a while. I cannot get out. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, Devish. Yep. Can. Wait. Okay. Current slide. Okay. So, but then some people, they don't like, they say they cannot sleep. But depends on you. Okay, depends on you. So I think Jennifer wants a nightlight. What? She is afraid of the dark. Which one is your answer? Is it although she's afraid, however she's afraid, because she's afraid, therefore she's afraid? Why? So why requires what? Why she wants nightlight? Because she's afraid of the dark, right? So that's why your answer is C. I think somebody gave me an answer just now. Wait a minute. Yes, answer is C, correct. You wrote down C, that's your correct answer. So I wrote down here C, okay? Next one. This is a backyard. Who has a backyard? Oh, oh man. I'll show you something. Oh dear. Wait, my microphone off for. Okay, this is a backyard, right? So some people have backyard, some people don't have backyard. It's okay if you don't have backyard. But backyard is like a garden, okay? At the back of your house, all right? So I was playing in the backyard, it started to rain. So soon while I was playing, is not right, all right? While I was playing, it started to rain, right? I hope you got this as an answer. B? Yes, thank you, Rudran. Good. Yes, your answer is B. Correct. Very good. Next one. Let's try the next one. He was unwell and went to bed. He got home. So you are unwell, right? And you go home. So what do you think? He was unwell and went to bed. Soon he got home. As soon as he got home. Then he got home. Okay, wait a minute. Somebody say something about question number 4. B, is it? Okay. What is it as soon as he got home? As soon then he got home. While he got home. Okay, B, correct. Okay, correct. Your answer is correct. Why? Because if you're not well, you want to sleep, right? Because you cannot focus also. Correct or not? So that's why it's as soon as. Next. Don't take too much food on your plate. If you are not hungry, although you are not hungry, but you are not hungry, so you're not hungry. So you don't take too much food. Which one? You're not hungry. Yes. A. Okay, so Shani says A. Shiloh also say A, right? Can. Oh, a lot of people say A. Yes, so Rudran also say A. Okay, so let's see if you are right. Yes, you are right, guys. Okay, so basically good. All of you got full marks. So good. All right. So your answer is number 1 is B. Can you write down if you got it wrong? But I think no, everybody got correct. Number 2, C. Number 3, B. Number 4, B. Number 5, A. Okay, just to take note, if you are doing your grammar, you need to annotate. You understand or not? See, I annotated like that. You need to annotate, people. Reason is very simple. If you don't annotate, how are you going to get a good, correct mark? Correct or not? So we need to annotate. All right. KP3, let's go on to the next one. Yes. I'll show you something. Question 5. Yes, correct. You are right. Let me just go back here. Let's just show you something, okay? Can I get in? Yes, yes, I can. Yay. All right, I'm going to show you something. These are connectors. All right. So you're going to write composition this week, correct? So in your composition, right, we just did just now, right? Connectors. What are connectors? So connectors are things that connect things that connect sentences. Okay, things that connect sentences. So give an example. Yes. Okay, hold on. Hold on, Shiloh. You can pay your bills in cash. You can also write a check. You know what's a check, right? A check is like money. It's like blank money, blank note. All right, and then you write down the numbers there. Then people can go to the bank and check it and check out some money. In addition, furthermore, have you seen this? Moreover, all this means together. All right. Furthermore, moreover. Okay, so example, furthermore, pets need nutritious food. Furthermore, they need vaccinations. So if you see this addition, it's called addition, right? Meaning it is you add them together. Okay, so for example, as well, Mary won the gymnastics competition. She graduated with honors, right? Wait a minute. Okay, next one. so there are many types of connectors. Okay, so there are many types. So give you some examples. Some of the things like we just did just now. Yes, another connector or is a contrast. However, but all this we will learn as we go on. Okay, Ken? All right, so I move on now to back to our slide. Okay, Ken? So let's move. Okay, next we do, what we're going to do next is vocab. All right. You need to improve on your vocab, because if you don't improve on vocab, then it's going to be very difficult getting a good mark. Okay, guys, everybody, I need you to open up your vocabulary book. Hold on, I will go back to the answer, because you know why? Some people just came in. Yes, Devish. You put up your hand. Yes, Devish. What is it?
Can I go to the toilet?
Can, sure. Okay, so somebody just came in, Eldridge, right? Hold on, So let me just get out first. I just mark his attendance. Eldridge, yeah. Okay, Ken. Eldridge, so you missed the first part. Never mind. Let me just show you the answers. Is it okay, Ken, Eldridge? I go through with Eldridge some of the answers, okay? So these are your answers, Eldridge. So you missed it, but I give you the answers for the first part for grammar, okay? Can you write down your answers now? Ken, number 1 is B. Number 2 is C. Number 3 is B. Number 4 is B. Number 5 is A. Okay. Now what I have already gone through with them. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Aldrich, you get all correct or not? Can you chat with me? You got all correct? If you get anything wrong, I can go back to the question and go through with you. If not, I move on. Okay? Aldrich, can you please say yes or no here? Text me, please. Hey, where's Eldridge? He can hear me or not? Shiloh or Rudran, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Okay, all correct. Ken, very good, Eldridge. Good job. Okay, I go on now. Next. We are doing, okay, I need you to write down the meanings now, because some meanings are difficult. Okay, do you have your exercise book? Write down the meanings now, please. Right? Because you're P3, you need to improve on vocabulary. Some of your vocabulary may be very good. Okay. Yes, thank you, Rudran. I can see that. Okay, Ken. So you can write down the meanings now. Marilyn watched away her time playing on the computer every day. Wait, okay. So what's the answer for 6? Drags means pulls forcefully. Write down the meanings now. Okay. I think I'm a bit more cursive, my handwriting. So I'm going to change it to less cursive, okay? Pen, eraser. I cannot erase. I don't know why I cannot erase. I'm not given any rights to erase forcefully. F-O-C-E, F-O-R-C-E. Okay, I hope you can see that. Wait, F-O-R-C-E. Okay? Wait, F-O is O, F-O-R, C and E. Copy now. Pulls forcefully. Drifts means carried. Okay? Carried away by water. If you say drift, the log is drifts, right? Drift means water. Can you copy this down now, please? Thank you. This is for your own good, you know. Okay. Carried away by water. That's the meaning of drift. Next is devote. If you are a devoted person, or you devote your life, right? Meaning you're being very loyal. Okay, you know what is loyal, right? Meaning you are obedient, you follow, right? Next one is idle. What's idle? Idle means you avoid work. Very lazy. Okay? Lazy, like to chill, like to relax, don't like to work, right? Don't like to study, like to idle. That's the meaning of idle. Or why people don't like to work or become lazy is because they like to do things that you're not supposed to do. For example, playing too much, right? So Marilyn, which one is your answer? Marilyn, what her time playing on the computer every day. So Marilyn drags away her time. Can we drag away our time? Yeah. So drag away her time. So can you pull your time? If you know cannot, then you put cross here, right? Next one. Marilyn drifts away her time playing on the computer every day. Marilyn devotes away her time